Welcome to this tutorial on setting up SAML single sign-on for Confluence using Custom Identity Provider. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete configuration process so you can enable secure, seamless login for your Confluence users. Click the Configure button to begin setting up SAML SSO for Confluence. Click on Add New IDP. Go to Quick Setup, and select Custom IdP. Choose Manually configuring the metadata of the IDP to continue. So let's configure Custom IdP Provider. Here we will take an example of miniOrange IDP as our custom IDP. Enter your credentials to sign in. Once you're logged in, click Apps in the sidebar. And then click on Add Application. In the search bar, type Confluence. And choose Confluence SAML to configure. Now, go back to the miniOrange Confluence SAML app. And copy the SP entity ID. Switch to the miniOrange IDP portal. And paste it into the respective field. Then, return to the Confluence SAML app. Copy the ACS URL. And paste it in the required field in the miniOrange IDP. Click Next to proceed. Then click on Add Attribute. Enter first name as attribute name. And select the appropriate attribute value that matches first name. Again, click on Add Attribute. Then enter last name as the attribute name. Select the appropriate attribute value that matches last name. Click Next. In the Advanced Settings tab, review all the fields. And save the configuration. Now switch back to the miniOrange Confluence SAML app. Click Proceed to move forward with the SSO setup. Now select the way you want to add IDP metadata. Choose I have the metadata URL of my IDP. Then, return to the miniOrange IDP portal, locate the Confluence application, click the three dots on the far right. And select Metadata. Copy the metadata URL. And paste it into the metadata URL field in the Confluence SAML app. Click Save to finish the setup. Next, go to the test URL to verify the configuration. Click and copy it. Open the URL on Incognito tab to test. Click Corporate Login button. Enter your miniOrange credentials when prompted. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a Test Successful message along with the attributes received. Click Proceed to continue. In the User Profile section, map the IDP attributes for first name, last name. Save and proceed. Then, click on View Results. And click Finish. From now on, when you log into Confluence, you'll see the User Corporate Login option. Click it and you will be redirected to the Custom IdP login page. Enter your credentials. And after a successful login, you'll be redirected to Confluence. You can check your profile to confirm that user details are fetched correctly from the IDP. You've now successfully configured SAML single sign-on for Confluence using Custom Identity Provider. Thank you for watching, and for more resources or support, visit www.miniorange.com.